Ito, paano niyo ginawa yun?
Okay.
Sige nga, monitor nga, frames.
Wait.
Kaso, pag may hinanay,
Ayun,
may kasa.
sige, ganito. At this point, I need someone with a good imagination. Siguro an artist.
Artist!
Okay? Hindi, alam niyo, gumawa na kami ng random selection kanina. Okay? Ang nangyari, yung mga team natin, I asked someone to take a sticker and place it under one of the chairs inside this room tonight. So, ganito, please, sige, I want you all to stand or to just look around your chair. If you have the sticker, please remain standing, please. Sino yung may sticker dito? Ayun, sige, palapitin natin yung Miss Ma'am. Sige, malapit siya. Come up here. Palakpakan natin siya. Hello, nice to see you. Ito ka lang. Pwede ko kunin dito, ano name mo? Belle, hi Belle. I'm Emma, nice to see you. Dito ka lang. Belle, in a moment I'm gonna ask you, gusto mo na ilaw, no? In a moment I'm gonna ask you to draw something, okay? But I don't want you to worry kung gano'n kasi yung drawing mo. As long as we can easily recognize, okay na yun. Okay ba yan? Okay. Sige, actually, I have your chair for you. Ilalagay natin dito. Okay? I want you to just relax and please sit down. Okay. Okay ka naman dyan. Alright, good. Belle, are you left or right-handed? Right. Hinamit kayo kami, no? Belle, I want you to look at one spot just a moment. I want you to just relax. Look at one spot just a moment. Okay. In a moment, I'm going to pull your arm down. Okay? And I pull your arm down, please allow your eyes to see. Belle, take a nice deep breath in. And out. And again, take a nice deep breath in. And close your eyes down. And out. Belle, just keep your eyes closed. Belle, I'm not hypnotizing you. I'm just putting you in this state so that magkakaintindihan tayo. I'm just building a connection between us. Belle, I want you to just relax. And I want you to bring a couple of images in your mind. Okay? Alam kong meron na, but for now, I want to make it more clear and vivid. Mag-start ka mag-form ng mga images na ito ngayon dyan sa isip mo. Okay? And I want you to change your mind between those images. Okay, good. Thank you. Remain ka lang dyan sa position mo. The first idea that I get is this. But I want you to change your mind. Okay, just keep your eyes closed. Just keep your eyes closed, change your mind.
Shucks.
Uy, parang gato.
Parehas lang rin naisip.
Okay. Again, Belle, change your mind.
Ay, teka lang. Okay ka. Sige po.
One last time, Belle, change your mind.
Again?
Belle, bago mo buksan yung mga mata mo, doon sa mga images na yon, pipili ka ng isa. Okay? And now, I want you to, in your mind and in your mind alone, make your final choice. And then say yes if meron na. Meron na? Okay, good. Slowly open your eyes. Okay ka lang? Okay. Belle, meron kang isang pinili dun sa mga images na nasa isip mo ngayon. Okay? Itong image na pinili mo is something you can see outside, right? Okay. Hindi siya like chair or table, hindi ganun. Something you can see outside. And this is This is something man-made.
Doon na daw tayo sa...
Man-made gawa ng tao. Pero this is not something na light like marker na pwede mabuhat ng kamay. Yeah.
Sige na, papuntahin na natin.
Meron akong
O sige, pagtapos na sige.
Nakakaano baka may mga nagbibigay.
I think doon sa mga images na yan, I think we settled on this. Harap ka lang nila.
Oh my God. Yan nga, parehas nga ako.
Naiiba talaga yung quality dito sa stretch pad.
Galing niya, may 3D version. Tignan natin.
Meron akong ginawa dito, a drawing. Hindi ko nababaguhin, nandito na siya the whole time. Kung ano man yung inusan mo at pinili mo, bibigay ko sa itong pad. And I want you to start to draw kung ano man yun. Okay. Huwag mo muna papakita sa kanila.
Yun ang
Just to build
problema
the
ni
suspense.
Manong Drawing.
Okay, go. Ayan na.
Ano problema? Naging stress
Medyo
pa
wala
ako.
na suspense dito, eh, no? Nakikita
Ay,
na.
ang galing, sir!
Okay.
Hindi ko alam, parang na-track na rin ako ng isipin niyo.
Okay yan? Kunin ko yung pen. Okay. Tabi mo lang muna. Place it against your body.
Ano
Okay.
talaga siguro
Invite
siya?
kitang tumayo.
May power.
Tayo ka lang. And then magpapalit tayo. Okay? On my count of 3, babuksan mo yan at iharap ko sa kanila. And let's
Oh my
see if
God.
nag-match kami. Kailangan bahay lang ko. Sige, I'm ready. Okay? Ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Wow! Sakit ba? Card.
Thank you so much.
Word.
Thank you for taking part. Salamat. Again, salamat natin siya. Sige natin. Thank you so much.
Talagang pina-imagine mo kaming girl.